In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an 808 bass track in Soundtrap and record it with the on-screen keyboard. By the end, you'll have a clean, punchy low end ready to anchor your beat, all inside your browser. First, head to the Soundtrap website using a reliable, up-to-date browser. Soundtrap runs in the cloud, so a stable internet connection will help everything load smoothly and keep your session responsive. Next, log into your account. Sign in securely, and once you're in, you'll land on your workspace where everything you've been working on is organized. From here, go to your projects. This is your library, showing recent sessions and anything you've saved. Select your project to open it. Give it a moment to load all tracks and instruments. When it's ready, click on Studio. The studio is where the magic happens. You'll see the timeline across the top, your tracks stacked on the left, and transport controls like play, stop, and record. Now click Add Track. This brings up Soundtrap's instrument options. Choose bass and 808. The 808 category focuses on deep, sub-heavy tones that work great for hip-hop, trap, pop, and electronic styles. You'll find everything from smooth subs to gritty, saturated basses designed to punch through a mix. Select the preset you want. You can audition different presets to hear how they sit with your current project. Think about the vibe you're going for. Clean and rounded for a subtle foundation, or aggressive and distorted for more attitude. Let your drums guide your choice. If your kick is big and boomy, a tighter 808 can leave space. If your kick is short and snappy, a longer subby 808 can fill the low end. With your preset selected, it's time to record. Use the on-screen keyboard to play your notes. You can click the keys with your mouse or use your computer keyboard to trigger them, which often feels more immediate. When you're ready, hit record and play in your bass line right along with the track. Keep an ear on how your notes lock with the rhythm. 808s are most effective when they follow or complement the groove. If your project has a click or count-in enabled, that can help you come in right on time. When you stop recording, your performance appears as a MIDI region that you can edit later if needed, but for now, you've successfully added an 808 bass track and recorded it using Soundtrap's built-in keyboard. That's all you need to get your low end moving and your song feeling powerful.